so today we're making a recipe for you guys who don't like cauliflower. You see, when I was small, I also didn't like cauliflower. And my parents tried to give me it with many ways, but they all didn't work. Once we discovered cauliflower soup, I really liked it. So this recipe is for you guys. So what we're gonna need is 1 cauliflower and 1 potato, some homemade chicken stock, pepper, salt, and some whipped cream just in the end for a bit of color and some texture. So we're gonna start by putting our cauliflower in there. Right, all in. So once they're in, we're gonna add in our potato. And then our chicken stock. So this is 800 grams of chicken stock, and if it all doesn't fit in your cooking pot, it's fine. You don't have to put all of it. So we added our chicken stock, just a bit of pepper and salt. And don't worry if the pepper and salt isn't enough. You can always adjust the seasonings in the end. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna transport this in the fire, and I'm gonna see you when this is completely, we need to be sure it's cooked. And this will take about 30 to 35 minutes. So see you when it's completely cooked. So it's been 35 minutes and this is cooked completely. So we have a nice beamer right here. And we're gonna blend this all together until it's completely smooth, and then we're gonna add our heavy cream. We're just gonna start. And go. So this is almost completely smooth. We're gonna add our heavy cream in right now, because it's almost completely smooth. Just about this much, and we're gonna see how it turns out. So this is really good blended, and I chose my consistency. I really liked it. I think it's nice and smooth. I'm just gonna take this plate and put this in. And now, a little spoon for a soup, nice bowl, and we're gonna our soup in here. So just remove this. Ooh, and it looks delicious and it smells delicious as well. So I got a bowl full for myself. This is so good. So please subscribe, like to our channel. And yeah, this was the video of how to make your own cauliflower soup. I hope you liked it. Bye!